Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Luzia app weekly settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about the application of Luzia and you will click here. Then you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.